So write the expanded form. 127. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 1 is in hundreds place, so here 100. 2 is in tens place, 20. And 7 is ones place, 7 as it is. 7 as it is. Here ones, tens, 100. 5 is in hundreds place, that is 500. 2 is in tens place, 20. 5 is in ones place, 5. Ones, tens, 100. 4 is in hundreds place, 400. 6 is in tens place, 60. And 7 is ones place, 7. Next, ones, tens, 100. 6 is in hundreds place, 600. 4 is in tens place, 40. 2 is in ones place, 2 as it is. Then ones, tens, and 100. 5 is in hundreds place, so 500. 4 is in tens place, 40. 3 is in ones place, 3 as it is. And again this ones, tens, 100. 8 is in hundreds place, 800. 7 is in tens place, 70. And 6 is in ones place, 6 as it is. In this way we have to write in expanded form. If in hundreds place we have to keep 2 zeros for the digit. If tens place keep 1 0 in the digit. And in ones place no zero, nothing, keep as it is. So this is our expanded form. Now students, our 8th activity, in this 8th activity, so what we have to put? We have to keep again a greater than, less than or equal to sign. So we have to decide which one is greater, which one is less and which one is equal to. Already we did this type of sums. More again he gave 10 and 5. It is a single digit number, it is a double digit number. Double digit numbers are bigger, greater than. 10 is greater than. It is a greater than symbol. 25 and 10. In this first, these two are 2 digit numbers. First we check tens digit. Here 2 is there and here 1 is there. In 2 and 1, 2 is a bigger. It means 25 is greater than. 25 is greater than 10. And after that 40 and 60. These two are 2 digit numbers. So in this we have to compare the first digit, that means tens digit we have to compare. 4 and 6. In 4 and 6, 4 is less. 4 is less than 6. It means 40 is less than 60. And again here 76 and 76. Both are equal, same. So we keep equal to sign. Equal to sign. Now 98, 56. In 98, 56, the first digit is 9. Here 5. In 9 and 5, 9 is a bigger number, so it is greater than. 98 is greater than. 98 is greater than 56. So this single digit, double digit comparison is over. Double digit comparison is over. Now we are going to discuss 3 digits comparison. 3 digits comparison. Here, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Check. In hundreds place 2 is there. In hundreds place 4 is there. Then 2 is less than. 2 is less than 435. 435. It means 234 is less than 435. Next, in this ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. Here hundreds place 5. Here hundreds place 1. 5 is greater than. It means 567. 567 is greater than 145. Next, in this ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. Here 8 is there and here 5 is there. In between 8 and 5, 8 is bigger. It means 876 is greater than 543. 543. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens and 100. 444. 444. Both are same, then equal to symbol. Equal to symbol. Then here ones, tens and 100. Ones, tens and 100. in this again hundreds plus 2, hundreds plus 3 means 2 is less than 234 is less than 341. In this way we have to make sure that which one is greater than and which one is less than. Now we are going to discuss our activity 9. So in our activity 9, so in this following grids 4 set of numbers are given. First, second, third, fourth. In all like that he has given 4 set of numbers he has given. You have arranged the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means descending order. First we have to take a bigger, little bit smaller and small number. It means greatest, greater, great and small. In this order we have to arrange. First bigger number. Here 8, 3, 6, 4. In first one's tens place is 85. 85 is greatest number. 85 and little bit smaller is 64 and great number is 42 and small number is 32. In this order we have to arrange. First here tens plus 8, tens plus 6, tens plus 4, tens plus 3. This is in descending order. In the same way we have to arrange this set of numbers. 8, 3, 6, 4. In tens place 8 is there, in tens place 3 is there, in tens place 6 is there, in tens place 4 is there. It means 8 is a bigger number. First we have to write 89. Little bit smaller is 63. That means greater. And great number is 47. And small number is 38. Small number is 38. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 set of numbers given. First 6, 8, 2, 6. 6, 8, 2, 6. First 8 is a bigger. First we have to take 8. 81. Then in this 2 we have 6 and 6 in tens place. So if they are equal in tens place we go for unit place. Here unit place 2 is there and 9 is there. 2 and 9. 9 is a bigger and 2 is a smaller. First we take 69. Then smaller number 62. And one more number 23. This is in descending order, means greatest, greater, great and small. Now in this, once this 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers given, in this we have to decide which one is smaller. 6, 6, 3, 3. 6, 6, 3, 3. In this we have 6, 6 in tens place and we decide which one is greater. So by checking one's digit here, 7 is here and 6 is here. In 6 and 7, 7 is a bigger. So 67 will come first. Why? Because here tens place is same. If tens places are same, then we go for check one's places. Then 7 and 6, 7 is a bigger, 67 is the bigger number first. Then this is the greater number, greatest number. Then greater number is 67. Then great number in 35 and 39, tens places 3 is there, unit places 3 and 9 is there, 9 is bigger. So 39 we have to take. Then after that 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in all places 4, 4, 4, 4 is there. To decide which one is bigger, we have to check one's place. 5, 6, 9, 2. 9 is a bigger. So 49 we have to take first. 49, after that 46, 6 is a bigger, that is greater. 46. Then great number. Great number is little bit smaller than this, 45. And small number, so very small, that is 42. 42. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. In this 46, 65 is a greater. 73, sorry, 73. 7 is a bigger, so 73 is the greater number, and 65 will come, then 46, then 23. So in this way we have to decide which one is greater. Yes, now here, so just before, so we wrote descending order. So here ascending order is given. Ascending order, increasing order we have to write here. So here also 6 set of numbers given. In each set 4 numbers are there. That 4 numbers we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order, first we have to write smaller number, then great number, greater number, greatest number. In this order we have to write. So here first, second, third, fourth. In this 4, first we have to choose which one is smaller. Here 1, 8, 7, 3. In tens place 1 is there, 8 is there, 7 is there, 3 is there. It means 1 is a small. That is 12 is a small. Then bigger than this, that is great number is 3, that is 34 after 4. After this 76, and greatest number is 83. In this way we have to arrange. So what we did before, so that wise words means exactly in the reverse order we have to write. We have to write in reverse order. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 set of numbers given. In tens place 2, 4, 5 and 1 is there. So this is the smaller. 12 is the smaller, and little bit bigger, that is great. That is 23. Great number is 23. Greater number is 43. 4 comes after. Then 56 is greatest number. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. 4, 6, 2, 5. 4, 6, 2, 5. In 4, 6, 2, 5, 2 is a smaller. That is 23 is a small number, and great number is 42. Then greater number is 56, and greatest number is 65. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 4 digits. 3, 5, 8, 9. 3, 5, 8, 9. 3 is a small number. That means 33 is a small number, and great number is 56, and greater number is 87, and greatest number is 93. Already it is in order, it is given. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 2, 5, 4, 8. 2 is a small number. That is 24 is a small. Then great number is 44. Then greater number is 59. Greater number is 59. And greatest number is 85. Greatest number is 85. And the last 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 34. 3, 7, 2, 9. In 3, 7, 2, 9. 2 is a smaller. That is 20 is a smaller. And great number is after 2, 3, 34. And greater number after 3, 7 will come, 78. And greatest number is 94. Greatest number is 94. In this order we have to arrange it. Increasing order. All these are in increasing order. So when 2-digit numbers are given, then we have to keep increasing order in this way. Now, our third bit. The third bit solution. Here, 2 numbers are given. So one of the number is 245, other number is 250. Greater than 245 numbers, less than 250. 250. It means greater than 245, less than 250 means in between 245 and 250 numbers we have to write. Greater than 245 is 246, 247, 248, 249. Till 250, don't write 250, less than 250 numbers. Till 249 numbers are less than 250. Less than 250. These numbers are more than 245 and less than 250. It means we have to write in between numbers. Next, here also the same. Greater than 323 and smaller than 328. It means we have to write in between 323 and 328 numbers. 323, after that 324, 325, 326, 327. That's it. Don't write 328, smaller than we want. Smaller than means 327 till 327 we have to write. Then greater than 539 and smaller than 544. 539 means greater is 513, 40, 541, 542, 543 till 543. Don't write 544. That is equal to. So less than numbers we want. Till 543 we have to write. Till 543 we have to write. Then next, smaller than 999 and greater than. First you check for greater than. 994, 999. It means from 994 to 999. Here the question is given in reverse order. Don't confuse if the question is given in reverse order. Smaller than 999 and greater than 994. Don't bother about that. First you take this smaller one. 991 starts from 995, 996, 997, 998 till 998. Don't write 999. Smaller than 999 means till 998 we have to write. Then next, last, smaller than 410 and greater than 405. So greater than, smaller than 410, greater than means first we have to take this greater than. 406, we start from 406. 406, 407, 408, 409. Don't take 410. So in between numbers we have to take. So this is a method. Yes, next. Our next question, what numbers comes after? After numbers we have to write here. Here 724, after number is 725, after number. Then 843, after number 543, 544. 543 after number is 544. Then 234 after number is 235. 235. Then 876 after number is 877. 877. 565 after number is 566. 566. 865 after number is 866. After number is very next number. Very next number. What number comes very next, that number we have to write. What number comes very next, that is after number. Then in the next, what number comes just before? Just before. Here 415, 414 will come. 414 will come. 623 before 622. This is before number. These are before number. Just before number. Just before number. 854, just before number is 853. 853, that is a just before number. 832, just before is 831. Just before number. 804, just before is 803. 803. 700, this just before number is 699. 699. 700 just before is 699. In this way we have to write after number, just after number, just before number, just after numbers and just before numbers. Now Here in the next question, sixth question, write each set of numbers in correct order. Correct order we have to write. So that to least to greatest means ascending order we have to write. Ascending order we have to write. First solution. Ascending order means first we have to take a smaller number. How to decide smaller number? First in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we have to check. 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. It means 1 is the least one. 162 will come first. Then after that 2. 216 will come next. After 2, 3 will come. 308 will come. Then after that 4 will come. 478. Then after that 5. 532. In this way we have to decide. So using a hundreds place value. Hundreds place value. Here 7, 4, 3, 1, 6. So smaller to bigger we have to write. Ascending order. First 1 will come. That is 103. Then after that 3 will come. 328. After 3 4 will come. 415. After 4 6 will come. 689. After 6 7 comes. 723. This is in order. This is in order from least to greater. Here. In this first 4, 4, 6, 5, 1. 4, 4, 6, 5, 1. So 1 will the least. 1 is the least. 125 will come. Then after that 4. In this we have 4s in hundreds place. Then go for tens place. Here 7 is there and here 4 is there. In 7 and 4, 4 is the least. 447 will come first. 447. Then 474. Then after 4, 5. 552. 552. Then after 5, 6. That is 620. In this way we have to arrange from least to greatest. From smallest to highest, or in ascending order. Whatever it is, the same only. Then here in the next question he is asking, write each set of numbers in the correct order. Correct order. Correct order means, here what is the correct order? Greatest to least he is asking. Greatest means first we have to write a bigger number. So then first check hundreds place values. 5, 8, 7, 9, 7. 5, 8, 7, 9, 7. 9 is the greater one. 917 will come. Then after that 8, 829 will come. Then after that 7. So we have 702, 758, 790. 58, 5 is greater than 1. So it will come first. 758, 719. Then after that the smallest one, 582. 500. This is the least one. Then in second question, hundreds place values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this we have to take bigger one. 6, 5, 6, 2, 1. In 6, 5, 6, 2, 1, 6 is a bigger. These two are bigger. So these two are 6, 6 having. So again we have to check tens place. In tens place 1 is here and 7 is here. It means 7 is a bigger. 671 is a bigger. Then after that 617. Then 671, 617 is over. Next 547 is bigger. 500. Then after that 218. The least 182. The least is 182. Next, our last solution. In this tens pair, hundreds pair, 7, 3, 2, 6, 3. 7 is the highest one, 7 is the greatest one. 760 first. Next, after 7, 600. 633 next. Next 300. 359, 395. 365 in tens place 5 is there, in tens place 9 is there. 395 is bigger. 395. Next 359. Next 268. So these are in greater to least values. Descending order, decreasing order, ascending order, descending order, and here before member, after members. Now here, see our lab activity. Now the end of the lesson, so we are going to do one lab activity. So here two players are there. He is the first player, he is the second player. First player starts to spin this first. So then after spinning this wheel, so it stops. This pointer shows 1. So the player here write a place value in tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. He should note the pointer where it stops, that he note in tens place, like this. And the second time, second player starts to spin. In the second case, the pointer shows the number 9. And the second player should write this 9 in ones place. Then here we form a 2-digit number, that is 19. That is 19. And in the second case, again first player starts to rotate this spin. So suppose this pointer shows 4 here. Then again we have to prepare one more 2-digit number. This is tens place, this is ones place. Then what is our tens place value? 4. So then write here tens place value 4. And after that second player he starts to rotate this spinner, and it shows, suppose it shows, pointer shows at 5. Then note this 5 in ones place here. Then it is a 2-digit number. Again we form one more 2-digit number. This is our first 2-digit number. This is our second 2-digit number. After forming first and second means two 2-digit numbers, then we have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Which one is greater and which one is smaller by using appropriate symbols. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Which symbol here? Here this is 19 and this is 45. Here 19 it forms, here 45 it forms. Here tens place value is 1, here tens place value is 4. Then here 1 is lesser than 4. So it means 19 is less than 45. In this way, so many means more than, means here only 2 2-digit numbers are found. So repeat this, then you can know, you can form more 2-digit numbers and you decide greater than, less than, or equal to which number you want.